Now if you press on this video today, you already know what's up. We're building a Jeep Gladiator Power Wheels with 250 cc's of glory right there. Capable of 75-80 miles per hour. And the plan with this build is to make it 4-wheel drive, electric, gas, and crazy suspension travel. Now if that doesn't get you excited, I don't know what's wrong with you. Anyways, we're going to be building a custom chassis, exhaust, custom suspension in the rear. The front is off a Yamaha blaster, suspension, and front end I'm going to be reusing here. So you can see Yamaha blaster. And this motor is off a Venom X22R 250cc engine. Something like that. This is off a 2019, so it's a brand spanking new motor. So let's get straight into this video. I already know I had to have some fun with this thing. I went off-roading. I went downhill.
Go! Go! Go, Dream!
I went uphill.
Go!
I did some B-roll. I got a couple of reactions from people. I sat in this thing, I modified it, put 24 volts on this thing. We went all over around New York City with this thing. Let me put some clips right now.
Off-roading. Stop. You're not hitting the gas? Alright, there you go. Like a champ.
Please like, subscribe, and follow for more because this build is going to be the most insane build I have ever built so far in this channel. Please let me know all your comments down below. It's going to help me a ton. Let me know everything, all your thoughts. Leave it down below. This is going to be a build series and hopefully should be done in a month. At least version 1.
Hi guys,
Alrighty, so I got this Jeep for a deal on Walmart and anyways, bought it off Walmart for a crazy deal. I believe it was 50% off.
Are you serious right now? You're gonna build it to unbuild it? To build it up again?
Now if you want to skip to the actual part where we build this thing all the way to 5 minutes and you can start watching the build series. Now I wanted my little brother to enjoy this while it was still one piece before I destroyed it. And we did some off-roading, we went out all over and had some fun. Yeah, that was deep.
This way.
I stopped, where are you going? Go, hit the gas. So close. Because I had to go backwards.
I mean, you basically made it.
Now the moment I've been waiting for to start building this Jeep is finally happening. I'm going to start cutting the body and getting it ready to build a chassis.
Now this is my first time test fitting the body on the motor, making sure everything's fitting, see what I have to cut, and immediately I had to take out the hood because that was just not gonna work, and they're gonna have to cut a hole in the hood. Then I removed the broken front bumper. Yeet!
Now right here, this is the body with the chassis bottomed out to the ground. And right here is the end of the suspension travel. Touches the fender like an inch. So hopefully we can clear that. If not, we'll lift up the body another inch. As for turning, there's enough space there for it to turn. Alrighty, so all the cutting on the chassis, if I can open this door, it's all done. I cut here. I do need to cut all this section right here because that's this right here and it's not necessary. So I'm trying to cut as minimum as possible. This would probably be cut out. And I do have the extra piece that goes here for the bed. I am planning on cutting the body right here-ish to extend it to make the aesthetics look good. So I'll cut it 4 inches to extend the fender well, and like that there's more space, even though I have plenty of space. Now that the Jeep has been cut down into shape where the motor fits, the suspension and shocks fit into where obviously I fit, we're going to be prepping the Yamaha Blaster front end to be welded to my custom frame. I'm going to be cutting right there and on the top right here. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so this place is a mess, but finally got all the tubes, well not all of them, but for now I'm going to start with these two. There were 2 tubes here before, I got rid of it. I added the support place beam, like that, so this is temporary, like that. All the suspension and stuff doesn't go out of whack, the proportions. I'm going to add 2 pieces of tube going from here all the way up, so I can make the motor mounts, and also it'll be a place for everything to mount to for the chassis. So just got 2 pipes, maybe like 12 feet long. It's going to weld up to here, weld onto there, and it should be all right. I now weld up all this to the factory points. Hopefully lines up good. It was a pain taking that piece out. I don't know where it is right now. I just do it. Here I did the same thing. I added support beams. This will be the place where I add the tubes. So let's get straight into doing this. Alrighty, so let me explain everything that I have just accomplished just now. Pretty much, I've cut two pieces of tube that was here previously, which is this ugliness. Anyways, cut it so I can merge two pieces of pipe here. As you can see, that's the perfect notch right there. I'll just weld it up to the other tube, which is pretty much just going to be like this. Just like that. And you guys can see that. It's going to weld perfectly right there. This is going to be the main portion of the chassis. It's going to go straight all the way to the back. And I'm planning on doing the same thing on here and here. Do the same thing. 4 pieces of pipe going straight up. Boop. So let's get straight to welding it. Like I was saying here, just slides in there like that. Now I'm gonna make sure everything from here to here is straight and weld it up. Alrighty, so I'm here back with this body. I'm going to be cutting it a little more, some around here, mainly to get to the main tubes going inside here. So get the main tubes through here like that, going up and over, so I can have a tube that goes all the way around this whole portion. Need to cut a lot of this section out of here, so let's go straight into doing that. After an hour and a half on the tubing mender, wow, hour and a half, almost 2 hours, finally got this piece done. It's 2 pieces. I did 1, 2, 3, 4 bends on it to replicate the same style of here, going this up, this way down, blah blah blah. Give it a little test fit. That's the front. Only tested on one side, never did this side. So we're about to see how it looks on this side. Now, matches the body line there, goes down, and then straight to there. You can see it's pretty good with the body there. I have to do a little more trimming in there, but so far, liking the way that turned out. So yeah. So that's going to be a wrap for today's video. Next video, we're going to be starting to build the chassis, and we're going to be starting to put the body on the frame. Here's a little sneak peek. Anyways, catch you in the next video. Peace, God bless. Please let me know all your thoughts and comments down below. I'll be checking them out. And I got to catch you next time. Peace and God bless. Starting this video to tell you guys why there's a piece missing from the front bumper. I was testing out the Jeep in the snow. It's been 700 days without snow. Finally got snow. I was testing out the Jeep before I started building it to compare it. I crashed into this tire here. Yeah, I broke it, but that's not really an issue. I'm going to be building a metal version of this.